It is a cold and nasty Monday evening. I just got off of work and now I'm getting ready to head to get this head done. I've been trying to keep braids out of my hair for the last couple of weeks. I think I haven't had braids now for about, I haven't had braids now for about a month, and it is February 12th. The plan is just to give my hair a break, let my hair breathe, and not get braids again until March. That's if I can hang in there, y'all, because when I tell y'all it's killing me, it's killing me. I used to wear nothing but wigs, y'all. Nothing but wigs one time after I let my hair grow out, because to be honest with you, I'm a short hair girl. I normally keep my hair cut short, and I miss my short cut. I'm so tempted to go back to my short cut, but I'm hanging in there. A few years ago when I went back to get my hair cut, when I was going to my old stylist, she taught me how to cut my hair off again, because she was just like, you grew your hair out this far and then you just want to cut it off again? Yes, because that's what she does. I grew it all the way back to shoulder length and I whack it all off again. But for the last couple of years, I've just let it grow and I haven't cut it off, at least not yet anyway. So like I said, I'm trying my best not to cut it off again. That house still got Christmas lights up. It is February 12th. Y'all need to go ahead and take that down. But anyway, yeah, y'all, I'm over here looking at these people's house with these little Christmas lights and got sidetracked. Yeah, back to the plan of keeping the braids out of my hair until March, and I think that's what I'm going to do from here on out. I'm going to take breaks, but I've never taken this long of a break to let my hair and my scalp just rest from braids. So in the winter months, when it's cool, I will wear my wigs, and I might switch it up sometime and get cornrows. But other than that, in the warmer months is when I'm going to keep my I can't even talk. In the warmer months, that's when you're going to see me more with my braids. And I hope this footage isn't too shaky, y'all, because it's on the mount, but I see it moving a little bit. But anyway, when I go into edit, I will try to fix all of that for you all. But yeah, I hope everybody had a good Monday. Mondays are usually not the best for me. I'm trying not to be negative. I know it's all in here, but I don't like Mondays, y'all. Don't care for Mondays. I will stop and get the kids some Valentine's Day donuts, but we made some cupcakes, and as you saw in the beginning, and they still got cupcakes, so I'm not going to get no donuts. I don't know. I might go tomorrow and get them since it's the day before Valentine's, but I'm definitely not going to go get them today. I'm gonna get on down this road and go get this hair done, but yeah, guys, I've been slacking picking up the camera because I don't know. I don't want to. I'm the type of person where if I'm gonna pick up the camera and I'm gonna vlog, I want to be in at least a decent mood. You know, I don't want to come up here standing all down and whatnot and bringing that energy to y'all. Even though I know y'all are here for me to, talk to, and I can vent to y'all, but I'm just, I don't know. That's just not me. And I'm not judging anybody that does it because I do consider y'all family. I am closer with some of y'all than I am with some people that I have known for years. And that's crazy to me, but YouTube is definitely a family to me. And I appreciate y'all. All right, y'all. Let me get on down the streets and make it to my girl's house so I can get this hair done. I'll be back. Good morning, fam. Welcome back. Welcome back. It is Saturday. It is Saturday morning. Not super early. It's like 10:30, and I am dressed and ready to go because I have to take a little drive with my sister-in-law. We're trying to see if we can get Marquita's iPad and her MacBook fixed. So we have to drive over to the Apple store, and this Apple store is about 45 minutes away from us. Hopefully the traffic is not too bad since it's the morning time, but usually the traffic heading over to where the Apple store is, we're going to one in Virginia Beach. And usually the traffic going up to Virginia Beach can be hectic if you know anything about this area. So I am praying, Lord, please, that it only takes us about a good 45 minutes to get there and not over an hour. I'm praying that the traffic is not backed up. But anyway, I just threw on this little tan colored turtleneck, and I got some black pants on, and yeah, we're just gonna run on over there. Hopefully we can get this iPad fixed. I don't know if we are going to be able to get it fixed because I forgot what series Marquita has. Well, all of the kids has. Marquise doesn't even use his iPad anymore. Our iPads are pretty old. All of us have MacBooks, so we pretty much don't get on the iPads anymore anyway. So we're going to see, like I said, if they can fix it. And if not, if we can get some type of credit for it or something. I don't know. Hopefully this works out because she really wants her iPad fixed because she does most of her drawings on her iPad. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to stop running my mouth. Get ready to get out of here. Lord, y'all, I'm looking at this hair. Ooh, I got the rub. Look, I tried to put a little bit of edge control on this natural mess to make it lay down. Switching subjects, y'all, when I tell you I have been natural before, I was natural for a total of 6 years. I wore my little fro, I did bantu knots, twist outs, all that good stuff like that. But this time around, y'all, I'm just not feeling it. I'm trying to train my hair. I didn't get relaxers a lot anyway because y'all know I wear braids so much. But I would get relaxers maybe only twice a year. because I kept my hair in braids. But right now, oh my gosh, I am trying, y'all. I'm really trying. Like, when I first get my hair done, like I said, today is Saturday. I got my hair done Monday, and we looking like this already. I'm really trying to stay natural, y'all. If anybody has any tips, tricks, anything, let your girl know, because I am not even 2 seconds. I'm a half a second away from telling her just to throw the cream and crack in here right quick. Don't let it sit too long, and then rinse it back out. Maybe let it sit for like 5 minutes just to loosen the stuff up. It's not so bad at the top, y'all. It's the back here and my sides that's the worst. For those of y'all that have been rocking with your girl for a while, y'all already know I have thyroid disease. I have hypothyroidism. And with that one, it slows your metabolism down, so it slows everything down, hence the weight gain. The issue is it thins your hair out. It really thins your hair out. You might can't see how thin my hair is right now looking at it because it's in its natural state. But however, when I get a relaxer, my hair is almost see-through. It's not real thick now, but it looks a lot better than what it normally would if I had a relaxer. So I think this go around when I get a relaxer, because I don't think I'm gonna make it too much longer, y'all. I'm just gonna get it in the back where it's the worst. Up in my sides, on both sides, but at my top area up here, y'all. Like I said, because of the thyroid, my hair is super thin, and when I have a relaxer, it thins it out so bad you can actually see my scalp. Yeah, all this right here, if you were standing on top of me, all this right here, you can actually see my scalp. I have to be careful and like comb my hair over a certain way. I even said if I relax it and I tell her just start everywhere first and do the top last, because I don't want it to thin it out but so much because of my hair. Straighten it out but so much because my hair is so thin at the top. I probably would use like the spray hair fibers, because yes, that's how bad it is at the top when I get a relaxer. But I'm loving it right now. It looks just as pretty and full, but that's not a case. That's not the case when I get a relaxer. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to stop running my mouth. Like I said again, if y'all got any tips or tricks, please let your girl know, because I am over this natural life. I even thought about locking, y'all, but I'm scared to lock because, again, my hair is thin up here, and I don't want it to keep pulling and tension, and then I have to end up cutting the locks off and starting all over, even though I'm not, I'm not new to short hair. I used to cut my hair off all the time. But anyway, y'all, just comment down below and let your girl know. I'm going to stop rambling and get ready to get out of here. I'll see y'all when we get over there. Hey fam, I am back. It is later on in the day. I'm getting ready to run into Sephora right quick. Where your trash? Okay. We're getting ready to run into Sephora right quick, y'all. And what's going on? Go ahead, baby. I'm sorry, y'all. We're getting ready to run into Sephora and look around. I know I got one thing I need to pick up, and I hope they have it. It ain't a lot of people in here. All right, y'all, let's go. Y'all, Sephora was a fail, an epic fail. They did not have what I needed. So now we are getting ready to go in. They look like they was gonna run into us. Lord. Oh, they done hit them people car. Anyway, y'all, we getting ready to run in JCPenney's now. Hopefully they got what we need. Thank you, baby boy. Anyway, y'all, JCPenney's was an epic fail. So now I'm in Macy's. Marquita irritated. She ready to go. So now we in Macy's. I don't see nothing about no night. Girl, I see Champion, Puma, Adidas. This store about to get really ugly. I don't see anything. Is there somebody at this register? Hold on, Marquita. Hold on. Hello. How are you? All right, and yourself? Oh, no, thank you. I was told to come over this side. My son saw online that you all carry Nike socks. We do not. You don't? Unfortunately, Nike pulled their items from Macy's stores. Oh, okay. We still sell it online, but it's not inside the store, unfortunately. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. That's okay. Uh-huh. We done walked all the way down here, Jesus. For nothing. Mark can't look all in the store. Amazed, y'all. Talking about we got to get out of this maze now. But while we in Macy's, I'm going to the shoe department really quick. I'm just going to the shoe department right quick, y'all, and then we can leave. They so irritated, Lord. My children. But I don't know where else. Where else did they say online sold those socks? Marquise. Or Marquita, whoever Googled it. These kids. Oh, Lord, y'all. Let me get to this shoe department right quick. So whatever this is the dupe for, the new Rouge, that smells good. And y'all, I'm looking at these prices for Fenty. I think they went up. I do not remember them being $30, y'all. Marquita said she thought it was $25. But yeah, they have gone up. Sunday. I'm sorry I didn't pick the camera back up when we got home last night, but once we got back home, I was tired and I was just ready to chill and relax. So, again, it is Sunday afternoon, and I just thought I would come and show you what I picked up yesterday. We went to a couple of stores yesterday, and when I tell you, almost every store did not have, well, practically almost every store we went in did not have what I was looking for. We did run into Sephora. They did not have what I went in there for either. However, I have been looking for the watermelon sanitizer by Touchland. That scent smells absolutely so good, and I love watermelon anyway. So, ran by Sephora, and I was able to get my hands on that. And I guess this scent is such a popular scent. They had one of these actually on the counter, so you could spray it and smell it. And I already knew I had to have it, but I just went ahead and sprayed it anyway. And it smells so good. Everywhere I go, they usually cannot keep this scent in stock, so I was so glad I got my hands on it. But yeah, got the watermelon Touchland to add to my little collection. And what else? Oh, I know what else I wanted to show y'all. So I've been seeing that Dollar Tree has this new cleaning line. I don't know if it's a cleaning line that they're going to keep. But I did go looking for those. I did pick up these eye masks from the Dollar Tree as well. Pick those up just to try them out. I've heard a few people say that they're pretty decent. So I was just like, okay, I'll try these out. And then what else, guys? Oh, well, first of all, let me go ahead and show you all what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Take two. I recorded, well, I did this whole video, and I've been up here talking to y'all about the items that I picked up. And the camera was not recording. So, take two. Alright, y'all. So, what I've got from the Dollar Tree was this new cleaning line that the Dollar Tree has. Excuse me. What I got from the Dollar Tree, y'all, was this new cleaning line that the Dollar Tree has. It's supposed to be all natural, and it's plant-based. And I picked up the all-purpose cleaner. I didn't pick up the dish detergent because I'm real picky, y'all, when it comes to my dish detergent. I like my Gain dish detergent, and that's all I'm using. So, or either if I'm not washing my dishes by hand, baby, they're going in the dishwasher. So I was just like, okay, I'll just pass over that. But the second thing they had was the all-purpose cleaner. It is peppermint sage, and like I said, it's plant-based. Oh, it says danger, causes serious eye damage. Cuts through tough grease and grime with their pleasant peppermint scent. Great for use on glass, counters, tile, wood, and stone. And let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I assume any type of cleaning product will cause serious damage to your eyes, but yeah. Anywho, I heard the girl saying that this smells really good, and I just want to pick 2 bottles up, $1.25. You can't beat that. The peppermint sage is what got me, y'all. So let me open this up while I'm up here with y'all and see what it smells like. Really sudsy. I can see that. It doesn't smell bad, y'all. You definitely smell the sage. So I will put this out there. If you do not like sage or the smell of sage, do not get this, because the sage, at least to my nose, I mean, shoot, it's only $1.25. You can always use an extra cleaning item around the house just to spray and wipe down stuff. If you don't like sage, I wouldn't try it, because to me, the sage is overpowering the peppermint smell. I would have loved for this to have been more of a peppermint fragrance. That would have really, really sold me. But once I use her, and I'll probably just spray her on my counters, or after the family eats in the kitchen, just spray it on the table in there and the counters and stuff, and just wipe stuff down. But yeah, That sage scent is very, very strong to me. Again, you do smell the peppermint. It is just, to my nose, the sage is just a lot stronger. Yeah, so if you're interested in trying that out, hit up your local Dollar Tree. Your Dollar Tree. And guys, I got a few items that I picked up for the home from Amazon. So let's do a quick little Amazon haul. All right. So these sheets are not a stranger to me. I tried these sheets and I ordered a white set. I absolutely love them. What caught my eye on Amazon was it said hotel luxury style sheets, and it got my attention, and I ordered a pair, and I love them, guys. I absolutely love them. I didn't have to order, what is it? Is it called cow? Is it up here? Yeah. I didn't have to order worry about the deep pockets with these. I got a regular size king sheet set, and when I tell you it the pockets are deep, so you don't have to worry about that fitted sheet popping up. They feel so good and soft and to the touch, to your body. They are very durable, but the quality is so good. I'm sorry guys for y'all that follow the thread count. I can't tell you nothing about no thread count, girl, because I didn't pay attention to that, but I'll make sure I leave the link down below. So if you're interested in a good, nice quality pair of sheets, you can check it out. It probably will tell you in the description the thread count. I don't know. But like I said, my white set, I absolutely love them. And so I picked up this gray set. I can't wait to wash these. I'm going to be washing these today and putting these on my bed so I can be snuggly and cozy. But yeah, what is it? Bashore, these sheets. Yeah, it says it right here. Bashore Hotel Luxury Bed Sheets, wrinkle and fade resistant. When I tell y'all, baby, they feel good. All right, what else did I pick up? Okay, look, y'all, I was just too fast with this one right here. I already done put my sugar in the bowl and everything. So if you saw a couple of vlogs back, I bought me a cute little honey pot bowl to sit on my kitchen table because we use honey, and I loved it. And the little drizzle thing is shaped like a little beehive. It was so cute. So I bought that, and then y'all saw where I had the little white tray that I picked up from Ross to sit on my kitchen table too. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna put my honey pot here, my salt and pepper shaker up there. Ooh, that country was coming out. The salt and pepper shaker on there, and then I said, well, let me get me a new sugar bowl, because my original sugar bowl was okay, and you know it did what it was supposed to do, but I wanted something that had like a little spoon that would sit nicely in there, and I couldn't do that with my old one, so I tossed that bad boy and picked this one up from Amazon. Guys, isn't she cute? She is so cute, guys. I like the little top. Take off the little top, and then you have the little spoon. Now, at first, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was saying this spoon is not big enough. What in the world are we gonna do with that? But then I started to think, I'm trying to limit our sugar intake as a family as a whole anyway. So that little spoon is just fine. It is just fine. Hopefully the kids will get sick of scooping and just be like, just forget it, and then they won't be using as much sugar anyhow. But yeah, guys, I picked this up from Amazon too. If you're in the market for a cute little sugar bowl, the link will be down below. All right, what's up? What's next? Oh, so I was like, okay, if I'm gonna have my little cute honey pot and my cute sugar bowl on this tray, I gotta get new salt and pepper shakers, right? Only makes sense. So my salt and pepper shakers nothing was wrong with them, nothing special about them. Just a plain set of salt and pepper shakers that I actually picked up from Amazon a couple of years ago. But I was like, okay, let's step it up. Let's get something a little cute, a little stylish. And I picked up these. These little cuties right here. I just love the stainless steel on them. Very, very cute. Glass at the bottom, so you still know whether or not you're picking up the salt or the pepper. And then the top, y'all, the top. Let me show you. So if you want to keep it closed, like I have it on the little closed section right here now, you can keep it closed. I hope you can see that. And then you can turn it to the setting that I'll be using, where it's 4 little mini holes there. 4 mini holes. And then you can turn it again, and it'll be on 2 larger holes. So if you want more salt or pepper to come out, you can. And then like if you're seasoning some meat or something, you can turn it all the way to a huge hole to let a lot more product come out. But yeah, I just thought these were so cute. And I can't wait to go in here and fill these up with salt and pepper and dump those old ones. But yeah, guys, super duper cute. And I'll leave the link for these down below as well. All right, let's keep going. And then, guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just really gotten into looking at drinking glasses. And I was just looking at my cabinet and I was just like, you know what? I want some nicer drinking glasses. I had 2 nice sets that we've had for years now, and a lot of them have gotten broken. The little shorter version of my tall glasses got broken, and I was like, you know what? It's just time for some new glasses, y'all. So you've seen the newest set that I got. I think that was a 12-piece set that I picked up from Ross. Cute, stylish set. But then I've been seeing these, I guess what you call them, ribbed drinking glasses online, and I was like, they are so cute, and I gotta get my hands on some. I was like, okay, I don't need too big a set that's too large, because I just got this large set from Ross. So when I saw this 4-piece on Amazon, I was like, let me pick that up. Then I know y'all probably saying, girl, come on, it's 5 of y'all in the house. Lord help you if you have 1 or 2 guests over, you're gonna need more. The other set will take care of that. But I already said that looking at this glass set, I'm going to have to go back and put another order in, because I love these glasses, y'all. Let me show them to you. They are everything and then some, and well packaged. Look. Oh my gosh, they are super duper cute. I saw on some of the reviews people were complaining about these, but I don't know why. These glasses are not too small. This is a nice size drinking glass, and I think that it is just right. That's the bottom of it. And I just think they're so cute. And not just that, they come with, what I do with it, y'all? They come with straws, y'all. Look. They come with the glass straws. So I was like, okay, you can't beat that. You cannot beat that. Let me open this up so I can show y'all. You get 2 cleaning brushes and 4 straws. Yep. 2 cleaning brushes, 4 straws. And I'm about to order another set. Because I'm like, these are gorgeous. Just look. Oh my gosh. And they don't make me think that I should be drinking out of these only in a particular season. But to me, it does make me think of spring, summer. I can just see me sitting in the backyard now. Hubby throwing down on the grill. And I'm sitting there sipping on my glass of sweet tea. Yes. So, yeah. I can't wait to use these. I'm about to throw these in the dishwasher today so I can start using them. And I just think they're super duper cute. As far as the family, nope, they will not be using these. Shh, they will not be using these. I'm saving these for me, and they'll just be sipping out the glass, y'all. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much all I got for this Amazon haul. Just wanted to come and show y'all right quick what I picked up. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up, miss you touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up.
right up to the